Thinking about switching your mobile plan? Watch this before you decide. Today we're comparing US Mobile and Mint Mobile. Both are budget friendly mobile carriers. They offer cheaper plans compared to big networks. Let's start with Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile is known for its low pricing. You pay upfront for 3, 6, or 12 months. It's great if you want to save money long term. Now, US Mobile US Mobile is more flexible. You can choose custom plans based on your needs. It also offers premium features like better speeds and perks. Here's the main difference. Mint Mobile is cheaper but less flexible. US Mobile is more customizable. Looking at coverage, both use major networks, so coverage is similar, but performance can vary depending on your plan. In terms of plans, Mint Mobile focuses on prepaid bundles. US Mobile lets you build your own plan. Now, pricing, Mint Mobile is usually cheaper if you commit long term. US Mobile can be slightly more expensive but offers more options. So, Mint Mobile is better for saving money. US Mobile is better for flexibility and control. So, which one should you choose? Choose Mint Mobile if you want the lowest price and don't mind paying upfront. Choose US Mobile if you want more control over your plan. Both are great budget options. It depends on your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.